Ready to ditch the boring and transform your Notion into a stunning, personalized productivity powerhouse. First, let's set the stage in Notion. Create a new page. This is where your template magic will happen. Decide what you want to track: tasks, projects, habits. Set up the basic structure with headings, databases, and any core content you need. Now, hop over to Canva, search for templates, or start with a blank canvas. Think about the aesthetic you want. Are you going for minimalist, vibrant, or something else? Design your headers, icons, and any background images you want to add to Notion. Remember to keep it clean and simple for optimal readability. Crucially, when you download your Canva creations, select PNG and check the transparent background box. This is key to avoid ugly white boxes around your graphics in Notion. Back in Notion, drag and drop your downloaded PNGs into your page. Use them as headers by placing them at the top of sections or as icons to add visual cues to your databases and lists. Resize and position them to fit perfectly. If you want to make your Canva template accessible directly from Notion, copy the shareable link from Canva and embed it into your Notion page using the Embed command. This will allow you to quickly edit the design in Canva whenever you need. And there you have it, a beautifully designed Notion template, ready to boost your productivity and make your workspace a joy to use. Experiment with different styles and elements to truly make it your own. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion and Canva tips.